The festival season has begun with joy, lights, and bargains. But this year, there's one more reason to celebrate. A huge tax cut that will save on everything, from groceries to insurance.
इस दिवाली में आपको एक बहुत बड़ा तोहफा देशवासियों को मिलने वाला है। हम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लेकर के आ रहे हैं। ये दिवाली के अंदर सामान्य मानवी की जरूरतों के टैक्स भारी मात्रा में कम कर दिए जाएंगे। रोजमर्रा की चीजें बहुत सस्ती हो जाएगी और उससे इकोनॉमी को भी एक नया बल मिलने वाला है।
On the 15th of August, Prime Minister Narendra Modi promised sweeping GST reforms. Less than a week later, the group of ministers on rate rationalization has taken a decisive step forward. At its meeting on the 21st of August, the GOM has reportedly backed a two-slab GST structure, 5% and 18%, scrapping the current complicated four-tier system. The final call now rests with the GST Council, expected to meet in September.
देखिए, भारत सरकार के आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को धन्यवाद देता हूं, जिन्होंने ऐतिहासिक निर्णय लिया लाल किले से और 2 स्लैब समाप्त करने का प्रस्ताव आया है, जिस पर हम लोगों ने विचार किया और जीएसटी काउंसिल को रेफर कर रहा है।
So what changes? The current tax structure has 4 slabs: 5, 12, 18 and 28%, along with special categories of nil and sin goods. This will be shrunk to 2 basic slabs of 5 and 18%, along with a special nil category and another of 40% for sin goods. If approved, nearly 99% of the items in the current 12% slab will shift to 5%, while nearly 90% of items taxed at 28% will come down to 18%. The highest 40% slab will include a limited list of sin goods such as tobacco, soft drinks, gambling, lottery tickets, high-end luxury vehicles and processed foods. Importantly, health and even life insurance premiums could be exempted from GST, which are currently at a whopping 18%. That means cheaper packaged food, lower insurance premiums and more affordable household appliances. For the middle class, the savings could be meaningful. Estimates say a family spending 10,000 rupees on groceries every month could save up to 600 rupees. Insurance premiums could fall by as much as 15%. An air conditioner or television might cost thousands less. Even bigger relief may come in the automobile sector. A small car costing 10 lakh rupee today attracts 28% GST plus cess, inflating prices. Under the proposed 18% slab, buyers could save more than 1.5 lakh rupee, a boost for the country's most aspirational industry. Yet the reform comes with challenges. According to an SBI report, the rate rejig could slash GST revenues by around 85,000 crore rupees. For this year, the figure is projected at 45,000 crore rupees. However, the report adds that the rate cuts will boost consumption by 1.98 lakh crore rupees and could lead to a 60 basis point increase in GDP and a 20 to 25 basis point fall in inflation. States worry that lower GST rates could slash their revenues, squeezing funds for welfare schemes.
When you take away this the levy of compensation cess, that will be withdrawn. That you cannot go beyond a period. But suppose on some product, you can, while you imposing GST, you can do it only up to 40%. But while they were giving compensation, says that amount was, that percentage was somewhere 60, somewhere 70. So that has to be looked into. That loss, that is not permissible.
केंद्र सरकार भी अच्छी तरह समझती है कि भाई जब हम किसी लार्जर इंटरेस्ट में काम कर रहे हैं तो निश्चित रूप से रेवेन्यू पर प्रभाव तो पड़ेगा ही, लेकिन सभी लोगों ने इस बात पर संतोष व्यक्त किया कि जिस वर्ग को फायदा मिलना चाहिए, ये इन निर्णयों से उस वर्ग को फायदा मिलने जा रहा है।
There are also chances the compensation cess, which is aimed to compensate states for less of revenue because of GST and ranged between 1% to 290%, may be extended beyond 31st of March next year. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
इतनी अस्थिरता के बीच आशा की किरण बना हुआ है भारत का फाइनेंशियल डिसिप्लिन.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.